Hi! In front of me is OPPO A16S, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, tap on Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in Magic Fluids. Now you need to get this free app from Mad Scientist developer, and when it's ready, open it. Then mute the music by tapping on this icon at the bottom left corner. Access settings of your wallpaper by clicking on bottom right one and clicking on settings at the top. Then you need to select I accept in this pop-up and manage all of those settings however you want to. Finally, click on the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper. Tap on Apply to Home Screen and Lock Screen and go back. As you can see, after that, Magic Wallpaper was successfully added. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!